Mulberry, which is included in genus Morus, is a genus of about 10 species of small to medium-sized trees in the family Moraceae and their sweet edible fruits. Mulberries are native to temperate Asia and North America, and several species are cultivated for their fruits and as ornamentals. Mulberry plants are also important as food for silkworms. From sources across the web, the following are the benefits of mulberries. Preventing diabetes, prevents cancer, anti-cancer, controls cholesterol, anti-inflammatory, better heart health, boosting immunity, and reduces signs of aging. There are a lot of other benefits of mulberry, but I am not here to discuss to you all of them because what I want to showcase now is how I am propagating mulberry through rooting. The first thing to do is to prepare the loam soil or any other good soil which we are going to use in planting the mulberry. Then I choose the trunk which I think is best for rooting. Then the next thing that I do is to remove the bark at the base of the trunk which I selected. Around 1 inch is the length of the bark to be removed. Note that the bark should be removed properly and that the other parts of the trunk will not be hurt. Then I secure a leaf of the aloe vera. I put hole on the soil and then fill it with the chopped aloe vera leaf. Retain at least 1 inch of the aloe vera leaf because you are going to put it at the base of the trunk of the mulberry, just like what you are seeing at the video. Be sure that the trunk is properly intact on the aloe vera leaf. Then I am going to plant it right on the chopped aloe vera leaf on the soil. Add more soil so that the mulberry trunk is hardly planted. Try to softly wiggle the trunk and if it is not moving anymore, then everything is perfectly okay. The next thing to do is to water the newly planted mulberry trunk. Then I am going to wait for a month to see to it that the mulberry tree is already sprouting new leaves. The newly planted mulberry twig should be watered every day or regularly. This is the result of the rooting process after 1 month. When I saw that the process is successful, I made another rooting. This time I didn't choose aloe vera, and instead I planted it directly on the soil. This is what I noticed. With or without aloe vera, the rooting process is still successful. This means that aloe vera is not really a necessity for rooting mulberry. That even without aloe vera, mulberry can be propagated and will grow possibly. Doon sa video ng isang vlogger na napanood ko na nag-propagate ng kalamansi, may nag-comment na bakit daw hindi sumibol yung aloe vera. Talaga naman pong hindi sisibol yung aloe vera dahil yun po ay inilagay lamang para booster doon sa rooting process. Salamat ng marami po sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw.